Hi friends, welcome to my channel Traveling Monk of India. So today I will be talking about a drive that is not very far from my house. It is basically just 30 kilometers or 20 kilometers probably and return. But unfortunately I didn't capture the start and the end of that video, like what was the Odo saying. So I will just talk about it. So when I started my journey, my battery percentage in this car was around 44% or 42%, and when I came back it was around 15%, sorry. So it was around 15%. So you can get around 26% of charge. Probably I have traveled 26 to 28% of charge. I traveled around 40 kilometers. That was my experience on this video. I am also adding a very interesting thing in this video, which I wanted to talk about. So in the month of August, when I booked this car, after that, exactly after 10 or 15 days, I booked a charger box, extension charger box for this car. That is from AHA. It is a startup basically that is run in Jaipur. Okay, so in Jaipur, from Jaipur I ordered this particular product. This product is basically to charge your car in different circumstances. Specifically, when you are out traveling for a long distance and you don't have a slow charger or a fast charger, this will help you. Just that you have to convince someone that they give you that electricity power to charge your vehicle. So if they give you that power or electricity to charge your vehicle, this particular device that I'll be showing you in this video will help you charge your vehicle very easily. In many places in India, you don't see a lot of chargers available right now, specifically in the rural areas or the remote areas. In that particular circumstances, this will be really helpful for you guys. So ideally, just look into it. Also, in many places, in India, earthing is not good. So if there is no earthing, this vehicle will not charge. So that particular product that I will show it today in this video will have everything that will help you to get external earthing also. So in case that you find any challenges, you will be able to manage your earthing on your own. You can create your own earthing with very different devices. There are around 4 different ways how you can connect to earthing, to earth. So basically that is what I wanted to share with the a short journey that I have also captured. So please enjoy this video, and I will suggest you to please subscribe to my channel. So I will not talk more about it. Just go through that travel journey and then the video for the charger that I have bought. Though when I bought this charger, vehicle was not even delivered to me. After 4 months I got the delivery of my vehicle, but that charger I kept it, and now I will be using it whenever I go for a long journey. Till now I have not used it for charging my vehicle, but for some chota mota things I did. Specifically when I needed to drill something out, and that was basically when the Tata Power was installing this device in my vicinity. They wanted to an extended or a charger, so I gave them the connection from my home, and that particular thing, the charger actually helped. The AHA charger actually helped because that was a very good extension box that worked with. So I would suggest you guys, please look into this whole video. I was talking about the new device, which was basically my vehicle, that I didn't call out at that time because I was planning to launch that video way before in August or September itself. But then I thought it doesn't make much sense, so I am now uploading this video along with the car videos. So please subscribe to my channel and do let me know your feedback on the video as well as on the device that I have bought. Thank you guys. Hi friends, welcome to my channel Traveling Mount Cover India. Today we are unboxing a very different thing altogether. This is not something that I have brought for any gadget, but this will be my very special gadget in future. But unfortunately, since that gadget is not yet available with me, I've just booked it. I will not say what gadget it is. I'm just unboxing this thing first, but this video will come only when I will have my product with me, that gadget with me. Then only I will add this video, because that will help me ensure that you guys get to know what exactly this works for. So please enjoy the unboxing of a very different thing altogether. So now let's unbox this item, this particular product, which ideally you guys will be very surprised to know what it is. So let's do that. हम इसका धीरे धीरे ओपनिंग करते हैं. तो ये खुल गया डब्बा. कवर, और ये सब हिल चुका है। ये है उसका पहला हिस्सा, ये है रोप। ये एक और चीज बेंड हो चुका है, कॉपर का है ये। ये तीसरा प्रोडक्ट है। और ये है वो मेन प्रोडक्ट। ये चौथा है। ये एक कॉपर का प्रोडक्ट है। ये अर्थिंग के लिए यूज़ होता है। सो इट्स बेसिकली इलेक्ट्रिक अर्थिंग। ये प्रोडक्ट जो है ये भी अर्थिंग के लिए ही यूज़ होगा। सो यहाँ पे कुछ प्लेट है जहाँ से हम लोग इसे फिक्स कर सकते हैं, और ये भी अर्थिंग के लिए होगा। ये तीसरा प्रोडक्ट है जो ग्राउंड अर्थिंग लेने के लिए है। ये अर्थिंग बेसिकली ये जो है ये वाटर टैंक में आप दे सकते हो इसको, एंड इट विल गिव यू अर्थिंग। ये चीज़ आप ग्राउंड में डाल सकते हो स्पेसिफिकली, एंड अगेन कनेक्टिंग with a current you can get earthing. And the third one, this is an extender for the earthing wire if it is far away. Then again, if there is anything that is hanging or underground, you have an underground rod or something, just like in a transformer you have. वो अगर है ट्रांसफार्मर के सामने कोई रॉड लगा हुआ है ज़मीन से, तो उस पर क्लैम्प करके ये यहाँ से भी आप अर्थिंग ले सकते हो। और ये है आखिर में एक रोप जो कि काफ़ी फ्लेक्सिबल है, और ये रोप अपने बहुत काम में आने वाला है अपना फ्यूचर गैजेट के लिए। Now getting to the main device. काफ़ी अच्छी पैकिंग है। और ये जो है ये पैकिंग की ज़रूरत भी है ताकि प्रोडक्ट डैमेज ना हो। अच्छे से बबल रैप किया हुआ है, तो ये बबल रैप बेसिकली प्रोडक्ट को काफ़ी सेफ रखेगा। सो ये है वो प्रोडक्ट जिसका मैं बात कर रहा था। आप देख सकते हैं ये एक मीटर बॉक्स है और उसके सामने ये प्लग पॉइंट है। जिस प्लग पॉइंट को आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, और यहाँ पे ये जो फ्यूज़ है ये एंकर का फ्यूज़ है, विच इज़ बेसिकली अ वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट इट सीम्स। और ये किस लिए है ये मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको। तो ये जब आप ऑन कर दोगे और ये जो रेड लाइट है ये अगर जल गया फ्रॉम द प्लेस यू आर टेकिंग द कनेक्शन, दैट मीन्स यू हैव ए अर्थिंग रेडी। सो अगर ये लाइट जल रहा है तो अर्थिंग है आपके पास और आपको कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। बट अगर आपके पास अर्थिंग नहीं है तो यहाँ पे लाइट नहीं जलेगी। जब लाइट नहीं जलेगी तब आपको बेसिकली ये जो तीन चीज़ें हैं इन तीनों में से एक यूज़ करके अर्थिंग लेना पड़ेगा, जिसका एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है। यू कैन एक्सटेंड फ्रॉम हियर एंड गेट दैट अर्थिंग रेडी। अभी एक्सटर्नल अर्थिंग पे है, इंटरनल पे आप स्विच कर सकते हो। ये स्विच बेसिकली इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल पे काम करेगी बेसिकली। नाउ इट इज़ इंटरनल, you switch to external and this port will be active, and this is your normal switch for this plug point। ये 16 एम्प का प्लग पॉइंट है, और आप जितना भी चार्ज कर रहे हो इस प्रोडक्ट के थ्रू यू कैन गेट अ रीडिंग कि आप कितना एम्पियर का और कितना किलोवाट आपने बिजली यूज़ किया है, और उस हिसाब से आप जिससे भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ले रहे हो उसको पे कर सकते हो यूनिट के हिसाब से। So you can now understand the gadget that I am talking about is a very big gadget. It's a one of its kind gadget, but I would still say it is a gadget. So wait for few more weeks and you'll get to know what product I have ordered. Thank you.